Den David Haye an seiner Foucault oder wen er sagt, die machen recht eine Pressekonferenz num Medical. Den Dr. Kilbusch als lo probieren für den Doktor einer zu kreieren, mit dem zu schwätzen. Das Monat, mir so etwas nicht gesehen. So etwas nicht gesehen. Das Monat, es schon kein Wert dafür. Schon kein Wert dafür. An ihrem Kontrakt durchstung, dass das so, wo ich noch nie gesehen habe. Bon, lassen wir mal aufwarten, bis wann den Dr. Kilbusch können wir weiterhelfen. Merci. Au revoir dans 20 minutes.
Fantastic.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear guests and friends of the boxing sport, the Luxembourg Federation and its sponsors Fatal Sport Cottage Hotel, which have made available this room to us, and our main sponsor Meuble Roller Strassen, welcome you on our press conference with David Haye and his team.
I'd also like to thank the Luxembourg Boxing Federation for making this particular fight happen. You know, it's a boxing match that myself versus Derek Chisora that the world want to see. Everybody wants to see this fight. I didn't really want it because I didn't think Derek Chisora deserved a chance to fight me, but everybody wants to see it. The amount of media attention, the amount of boxing fans and sports fans around the world who want to see this fight. Well, okay then, let's do it. Plus, you know, Bernd Bunter, you know, Vitaly Klitschko's manager, said at the press conference after Vitaly beat Derek that myself and Derek Chisora fight and Vitaly will fight the winner. So it's like a sort of a semi-final to fight Vitaly. Hopefully, Team Klitschko stick to their word, but I'm only focusing on Derek Chisora. He's a tough guy, he's a crazy guy, and I'm looking forward to taming him. People have showed me a lot of love since I've been here, and people have been really nice, very friendly, and you know, definitely somewhere I'll come back to for sure. No doubt I'll be back, like Arnie. Because of that crazy incident, it was a bad incident. It wasn't good. You know, I'm not proud of what the situation that happened. But because of that one incident, you know, nearly 20 million people have watched it on YouTube, and everybody wants to see what would happen if we both get into a ring with rules, with regulations, you know, because in a crowded press conference, you know, none of us are getting paid, no one's here, so it's no good for anybody. So we're going to do it like real men should do it, in a boxing ring with rules, regulations, and see who the real man is on the night and who the best fighter is. I don't believe this fight will is as big as any of the previous fights I've had. It's a popular fight, you know, in terms of legacy, in terms of what people will say in 20, 30, 50 years down the road. I don't think people will talk about this fight. There's a lot of negative reaction to boxing. There are people who don't like boxing. There are people who want boxing banned in general. You know, you can't listen to all the negative hype. All I know is, you know, 30,000 people have paid tickets to see this fight. There's a need for it. You know, it's front page news, back page news. This fight is absolutely huge.